Whoa! That's gonna leave a mark. Hi folks, Joe Fowler here. If door dings, scratches, and nicks drive you nuts, then you need Fix-It, the fast-action scratch remover from Simonize. With over 1 million sold, Fix-It is the #1 scratch remover in the world. To prove it, we took Fix-It and our camera crew to this parking lot.
Wow.
In search of scratches. Watch this scratch disappear.
Where'd it go? You are kidding me.
And if seeing is believing, you gotta see this. Take this and wipe it across that scratch right there.
I gotta give it a
Just
try.
like you're doing a marker. Goodbye, scratch. See you later. Treat it like it's a marker. Look at that.
That's cool.
Do you see a scratch?
No, it's gone.
Fix-It is so simple. Just press the Easy On application stick, apply, and let dry. That's it. The resins fill the scratch, while UV hardeners cure in natural light, creating an invisible, waterproof seal that's amazing.
I'll take it out and you tell me how long it took me. You ready?
Go. 1, 2, 3 seconds.
3 seconds.
How'd you do that? It's gone. Let's see. I've got one right
Oh, yeah. Watch this.
here.
Goodbye.
Wow, it's gone.
Goodbye.
What do you think?
It's gone.
Do you love
I think
it?
it's amazing.
You'd pay a pro over $100 just to repair one scratch. But Fix-It can fix dozens of scratches